Hello friends, welcome on this video. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 11 25 H2 on your unsupported computers. We was waiting long for this stable release of Windows 11 25 H2, and you can go on Microsoft website, download ISO and install upgrade using this video tutorial today. I'm happy to say that I created a script, guys, for you. This will be the first script on my GitHub page. I'm going to show you later how to download it, how to use it, okay? But as you already know, there are only 14 days, guys, for Windows to end support for Windows 10. But if you want to extend support, I did another video tutorial for that. Go ahead and watch it. But if you don't want to stay on Windows 10 anymore and you like to have the latest version of Windows 11 25 H2, but when you try to upgrade, you will see that your computer is not supported, your processor punishing, or maybe TPM 2.0. So what we are going to do today, I'm going to upgrade from Windows 10 Pro version or Home Edition on Windows 11 latest version 25 H2, and I'm going to do two more videos, okay? Another video will be how to upgrade from 24 H2 to 25 H2, okay? For your guys that are in unsupported computers, because you don't see the update on your Windows update area, so you have to do this manually, like I'm going to do today, okay? And another video tutorial that I'm going to do is trying to install in computers that does not support POP-CNT and SSE 4.2. We will see, I will try. So let's go ahead, let's upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11 25 H2. Latest version, guys, let's do it right now. So I'm on Windows 10 Pro here, 22 H2. Go to Windows Update and Security. I don't see here any option to upgrade to Windows 11. So this computer have unsupported processor, okay? Is Intel Core i7 7700 key, okay? This is good processor, but it's not supported. Let me show you with PC Health Check. If you don't have PC Health Check, go ahead, download it from Microsoft. In my website post, you will see the link to go on Microsoft to download PC Health Check and check your computer and see my processor is not supported, and you will not be able to upgrade to Windows 11 25 H2, okay? Now, the first thing that you are going to do, Windows 11 download, search for this, go to download Windows 11. You see here current release, Windows 11 2025 update, version is 25 H2, guys, okay? This is the latest version. So there are three options to download. In fact, I like this one with ISO, to download ISO file. Choose this one, multi-edition, confirm. Make sure you have exact date and time. If you see error here on confirming, okay? Because if you don't have your exact date and time, you will not be able to download it. Now choose your language. I mean, to choose your right language for right region, you have to see your Windows 10, language version. So how to do this? If you go to my website, to the post that I shared the link on description, go ahead here, then copy this command, check your current language, open up CMD, run as admin, and right click this command, this one here, Get-Intl, and you will see that your current Windows language is this one. In my case, is EN, United States. If you are in English United Kingdom or English or Canada, then you have to download English International. But if you are on English United States, US, here it is. I'm going to confirm and download the ISO. Click this 64-bit. Just see here. Here is the ISO file that I have here on desktop. And if you go to GitHub, in my page here, Tips to Fix, you will see that I created a script, Tips to Fix Windows Installer, guys. And you will see it here, all the details that you need. If you have any suggestion or something, just write comment here. And I explain everything here. I created today 7 hours ago, and it's the first time for me uploading a script here on GitHub, but also you can go to my website. Let's download this. If you want everything automatically, here it is. Now open up. Here are two files in the zip. I'm just extracting here. Use 7-zip download. Go ahead, download 7-zip to extract if you don't have it. 7-zip. Go ahead, download it. It's free, open source, okay? Now, here are the run installer. Make sure both these files are here. Before I run this script, I'm going to show you something. Let's try to mount first and try to install and see the error. Okay, I right click, mount, setup. I don't want to download updates. Click next, next. Let's see. The processor is unsupported, okay, for this version of Windows. That's the point. If you just stuck for TPM 2.0 or something, I did another video tutorial how to prepare your computer, make it ready for Windows 11. Go ahead, see here on the cards, click the link, and then see the video, make it ready, okay? Now, let's continue. You see, in a normal method, without skipping anything, doesn't work. Look, everything now will be automatically. Look at this. Double click here on Run Installer. You will see this pop-up Run. It will open up PowerShell, and you will see this tips to fix Windows 11 25 H2 installer. Backup your files is very important. Yes, click continue. And now it will check your computer for supporting SSE 4.2 and POP-CNT. If you see one of these not supported, then what you are going to do, be careful, watch the other video that I did for this topic, okay guys? If your computer is ready to install Windows 11 24 or 25 H2, see the other video tutorials that I did for this. But in my case now, what I'm going to do, click yes. Now you will see another pop-up. We have two methods here. Fast install, upgrade, no registry edits. It will use the same CMD commands that I showed you. Setupprep, okay, and product server. And another one is advanced install. This will apply some registry editing on your computer, okay? If you wanted to see to be very clear what's inside, we'll show you later. And you can choose advanced install or fast install. Try with fast, okay? Click OK. Now, choose the ISO file that you already downloaded. Go to downloads. Here it is, Windows 11 25 H2. Click open. This, it will see, it will extract. It automatically create a folder on your desktop. You don't need to extract anything. You don't need to install any 7-zip or something, because this process, it will happen automatically. That's the point. This is the new script that I told you guys. It's the easiest method ever, huh? Is with some clicks, okay? But there are a lot of friends out there that they did very great job. You have another script, Fly by 11. You can use it if you want. So we are here for a purpose, to upgrade your computer, your unsupported computer. Now, here it is. You will see this pop-up here. Enjoy Windows 11 25 H2, a new browser Windows with tips to fix YouTube will pop up. Please subscribe on the confirmation dialog. Thank you for subscribing. God loves you and may God bless you. Okay, click OK here. Then automatically you will see my YouTube page and click subscribe here, guys. Subscribe. Okay. Now let's continue with installing and upgrading. Download upgrades. I don't want any download upgrades right now. Click not now. Click next. We need to see 25 H2 on this computer. I will use the same script for computers, Core 2 Duo processors, guys. Okay? I will record that video directly after this, so it will be ready for you to see. Let's try. We will try it later, okay? If this will work on these very, very, very old computers, okay? Now click accept here. Keep files and settings because we have the right ISO. Click next. Super easy, huh? Ready to install? Click install. This process, it will take a little. In my case, it will take 15 minutes. In your case, maybe longer, depends on your computer parameters. But if you wanted to speed up your computer, make it faster, guys. If you are in old drives with HD drives, you have to switch to SSD drives. I did video tutorials how to clone your computer, replace your normal HDD drive to SSD drive or M2 drive. Watch the other video tutorials that I did for this. Click on the cards. Okay, now your PC will restart several times. Here it is. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, okay? Okay, here we are. Windows 11 25 H2. Go to about. Here it is, guys. 25 H2. Okay. What about updates? Are updates working? Let's check for updates. It will be an update, I think. I think so. This is the latest release, or it will be an update. Yes, it's working well. You see the cumulative updates here, and you are able to get new updates on 25H2 on your unsupported processor. You want to see my processor again? Go here on CPU. You see Intel Core i7 7700K. Okay, so you see this is great, and the script was working well. If you have any problem with the script, you choose the second method that shows you advanced method. Okay, now let's try another method, very simple method that I did before. Okay, if you do, you can do it by yourself. If you don't want to do with a script, cmd, right click as administrator. What I'm going to do is just type cd, go to the Windows folder that I extracted, copy the path, right click here and click enter. Now I am on the path. We have to go here on sources, cd sources, type setupprep.exe, this kind of slash, product server. Then you will see install Windows Server. Computer will be ready to install. Okay, this method works really well. So guys, as you see, this script is working really well, guys. If you are on Windows 11 24 H2 and you wanted to go to 25 H2 but you don't see the update on your Windows Update area, go ahead, watch the next video tutorial that I did for this topic, guys. If you are on a very old computer, I mean computer with Core 2 Duo processor and Core 2 Quad, so processor that does not support SSE 4.2 and POP-CNT, I did a test to install. Let's see if it works. I did another video tutorial for that. Don't forget that. God loves you guys. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.